Alright, you guys, so market opened and the jobs numbers were good, which is bad for the market. So I just want to go through to show you so you can pick up what I'm putting down. If you go over here to SPY, you can see the SPY gapped down, right? SPY is down 2% right now. Bitcoin followed right along with it. I went ahead, I shorted Uni based on that. And so I just want to show you though, because this idea I have, I'm always kind of ahead of the game, and sometimes it can be frustrating, but I want to show you even even with the gap down of in the SPY at around 2%, what do you have? Basically, if we go to let me show you this on the 15-minute. I don't know if it will show it now. Hold on a second. Alright, so on the 5-minute, what you can see is with UNG, so this energy play I'm talking about, so everything else gaps down. Okay, so here's your gap. And this is on a 15-minute chart, so it's super zoomed in. So UNG had gapped down to minus 0.89, but then quickly bounced right off of that. And so like I said, it has more cushion, so it's like as things go sideways here, people who trade are aware of what's going on with energy, and so they see it as a buying opportunity. You can see the SPY is coming down right now, but in the energy sector, people are seeing that as a buying opportunity. So that's kind of important to take note of. And you can see also that your oil is up, and we had talked about that, or I had talked about that because that's the deal with OPEC. And then lastly, what did I want to show you? Oh, TLT. So this is important when we have these big days. Okay, so you want to keep this on your radar. TLT is at a low. This is, if this breaks, if TLT breaks this, and it would take a bit to break it, but if it does, that's bad. So on a day like when you're trying to trade news, right? So we had the non-farm payrolls come out. People kept their jobs, and so that's bad for the market. That's why the market's selling off right now. So before too long, at 5:30 this morning, I set up my play. I shorted Uni, and then I go over here and watch. And now the way to play it is, if this breaks, you can add to your short positions. And I'm not saying I'm going to do that because I'm going to go back to bed, but that's how you would play it. You have to watch for an indicator, and when you have bonds at a low, it's troubles, man. This is bad news. I think it was at one point, I think we were a little bit lower. Why can't I find it? There it is. Yeah. Okay, so you do have this next range, but this is when we were at the June lows, I think. And so this is a key range though for bonds, for TLT. So you want to have something like that up on your screen, and then you'd go over here to the VIX, and you're going to watch the VIX to see if the VIX breaks out. So how in summary, how to trade a news event like non-farm payrolls. Gotta wake up early. You go over to your index here, you go through the index, you see what is moving on the futures, right? These are all the futures. You can see the SPY futures are down, right? So that gives me an idea. As soon as the farm payrolls info came out at 5:30, I went over to my KuCoin account and I shorted Uni, right? And I even got the big get up here, I'm just not feeling like doing that right now, to be honest, because it's too intense and I don't want to have to sit here and watch it. But you set up your little short positions and then you play that news catalyst, and you can see Bitcoin's probably going to flush today. Okay, so Bitcoin might dance around here, and then you're going to get a move to this level. Now, another reason why today's a great day to trade is because you've got the earliest indicator. What I'm giving you is, I mean, it's how you trade, but you have to get up early. But it's really a going into Tuesday. So what this tells us is that the Fed is not going to pivot, and the Fed's going to come out with hawkish kind of ideas, and then that is going to send the market lower Tuesday, Wednesday. So anyway, that's real quick how to do it, and I just want to show you the importance of knowing where the money's flowing, right? And to see that now UNG is flushing. See how it came down a little bit? So you'll watch this level, you know what I mean? I'm staying in this trade because I got it way down here. But anyway, I just want to point out the importance of knowing where the money flows. And so even with the SPY selling off, there are buyers at 23.36 for UNG because they're aware that the energy crisis is happening. So understanding where the money's going to flow, guys. All right, peace.